Today I take you through on what we ate. I will be making lasagna, and here is my daughter washing the dishes to make sure everywhere is tidy before I start cooking. For the lasagna sauce, I'll add some olive oil, chopped garlic, onions and fresh parsley. Stir and allow to release the fragrance. Next, I'll add my grounded chicken, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir and allow to cook. Once that is done, I will add my tomato sauce and cooking cream. Stir and allow it to come to a boil, and it's ready. Now I'm going to layer the lasagna. First, add the lasagna sauce, followed by lasagna sheets. Then add the lasagna sauce again, and grated cheese and white sauce. I'm going to repeat the process until the sauce finishes. Once I'm done, I'm going to keep it for at least 4 to 6 hours so that the lasagna sheet will absorb the sauce. But if you are using fresh lasagna, go ahead and pop it in the oven immediately. Sometimes I even keep it overnight for better results. Once that is done, I will cover with foil and keep it to rest. This is me cutting liver because I've been craving for liver bites, and I decided to make some for myself. But my children saw it and started craving for it too. Then I made it for everyone to enjoy. It was so juicy and tasty. At this point, I was telling them to save some for me because I'm afraid of hot food. I don't know how to handle hot food. But for my husband, he can eat hot food as if it's not hot. Even my children, they know how to handle it. After that, Daddy and Wisdom went to stadium to watch rugby. 6 hours later, I transferred the lasagna in the oven and baked for 1 hour, and it's ready. I served it with some Colgate and it was really delicious.